Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbuds EDIFIER NeoDots on your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to Connected Devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And right here I have a name. Near to the name we have pencil icon. On some devices it's located at the right top, and some Android phones have a line with the name. So we will go to tap at this pencil icon, but if you have a line with a name, you need to tap at that line. And right here you can write the best one for you. Let's say I wanna remove this text and add something like this one. The most important is to click Rename at the right top when you finish it to save this new name. On your phone it may be done or OK or check mark, so we need to tap at the button, and as you can see we just changed the name. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!